up, everybody? This is Paul from PK Auto Design. We're over here at the HRE Open House for 2019. It's a packed shop, packed lot. We're gonna show you the inside scoop on how HRE wheels is made. Wheels.
He's back! I'm not trying to form on you guys, don't worry.
Feed me Anarchy Wheels. You, sir, been selected by the wheel gods to feed me Anarchy Wheels. Forged 6061 T6 goodness.
Yeah!
What's up, guys? We're over here at the Anarchy wheel booth. That's Guy right there. He's talking it up. So, some of you guys do know Anarchy Wheels is produced at the HRE facility. It's a completely separate brand, but it's HRE quality material, US grade 6061 T6 aluminum, monoblocks, 2-piece and 3-piece. And some of them are over here on display over at the Anarchy wheel booth.
He and I talk every day. Everybody else, I mean,
right there. Some goodness. I might have to take one home. Give me a minute. I'm gonna take one home. Don't mind me, guys. I'm gonna just take this home with me. All right. But it's actually a pretty sick wheel, guys. bother me, I'm eating.
What are you eating?
I don't know, mystery meat?
Ew.
Alright guys, so walking around just the front of HRE, and it's insane. We got a 720 S McLaren, we got a Ferrari Pista la Resistance, well I'm gonna call it the Pista la Resistance, but it's awesome, and a fleet of Porsches over here, including...
Porsches, yeah.
Exactly, preach it! Including this GT2 RS. Well, and these guys are appreciating it as well. But it's a nice lineup. Now, out of all of these, I personally gotta say that NSX over there is my go-to. If you guys grew up in the 90s, the NSX was something to be marveled about. And yeah, they got the new one back and all, which is cool, but that one right there, that's a dream right there. We also got all these Karmas lined up over here, I believe from the local Karma dealership. And what's up guys? Am I YouTube famous yet? So check it out. Nice combination of colors.
Beautiful colors.
People admiring them. But let's see what we can do over here. It's kind of gloomy today, but hopefully this video is going to bring a little bit of sunshine for you guys. A few more Porsches, and we're going to start walking to the back. Alright, so walking through the side over here, we got a few other cars, some Lamborghinis, but that all set aside, this is the one right here. It's a back Trackhawk. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's kind of cool. I think out of all of them, I would choose the Trackhawk, personally, being an American guy. But a few other cars, M4, we got an Evo over there, and then this one right here, GT500. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, so we're inside the HRE facility.
Hello.
Hey, it's Jorge, who's our very, very good friend from HRE. He's the one of the main guys for marketing actually. And he somehow found me after about 3 hours of me texting him, but we're gonna forgive him for that. What's up, brother? How are you, man?
It's on.
What's up, everybody? So I just wanted to show you the HRE and G additive comic book shit. I don't know what they call it actually. What's up, everybody? So I wanted to show you the HRE wheels and G additive collaboration on the world's first titanium 3D printed wheel with carbon fiber barrel. This is once again a world's first. I'm actually holding a piece that GE Additive and HRE actually produced using one of two of their 3D printing configurations. Now the nice thing with the titanium is that there is a no corrosion factor to it. So this actually has no clear coat on it. It's a brushed machine face to it, and this is one of 5 pieces that make the second generation HRE 3D Plus wheel.
We don't know. I mean,
He's gonna pick it up actually. Go for it. Don't drop it. You know, titanium is actually a little heavier than aluminum.
like I said, this exact same part is 21.
Okay, go.
Alright guys, well that caps off our HRE 2019 video. Hope everyone enjoyed the nice pieces of wheels, the nice cars, the nice scenery. The sun finally came out on a gloomy day, and we have been graciously provided this McLaren. Oh wait, that's on our budget for 2019. Cars over there. Shit, we got the Camry for today. Come with me if you want to leave.